thin ice. Feel this? Got him, son! 25 incher. Yesterday, we could see the grass. I've never seen anything like this.
There you go, John! Atta boy!
We're gonna cook that. Okay, a little pink in the middle. I will try that. Has a weird flavor to it. It does. It's salty. Different.
It's like what's all in there?
Oh, goodies for a sleepover.
She's right here. She's right here.
No, they go to Florida.
Right. What's up, you guys? Happy people. We are in Wisconsin. There's the girls.
Hi.
There's Sarah.
Hello.
This is the home that she grew up in. We literally just got here. We had no time to spare. He was literally locking up. And we're at Enterprise Rental Car in Oshkosh. What's your name? Tyler. Tyler is the man. He made it happen. Otherwise, I don't even think I could get a car.
I have a Nissan Rogue, if that works.
Yeah, anything.
26.
This is our whip. Hopefully this thing has no deer dents when we get back. This is exactly what I expected from the UP. This is the UP, which is Michigan's Upper Peninsula. The water is starting to freeze. Traction is minimal right now, so I'm just trying to pay close attention. See this? That's all ice. Oh, you can hear it. Man, it's very, very strong. And if I run into the ditch, there's nobody to help, and I can't even call because I have no service. So right now, this is the look of I gotta get it done.
That's where all the magic happens.
Look at this. Check this out. Who knows where we are? We are in Gwinn, Michigan. 5 years ago, I came up here and I met this guy, and he has become a great, great friend.
Conditions aren't perfect. We probably got an inch of rain the last day, but we'll be fishing some of our lighter tackle, deeper water, 30 to 50 feet of water for some rainbows, and see if we can catch some and cook them on the ice and make it in time for some football.
He's speaking my language. Did someone bet you, or did you lose a bet, or what happened?
For the hat, or?
Yeah, with the hat. I mean,
Born and raised. Born and
He's
raised.
just a little mentally deficient.
Stick with my team.
Well, I'm a Bucks fan, so I'm more mentally deficient. There's no reason I would tell you this. He makes the best rod in the world that I know of.
This is the start of every process. We get an order, start it from the ground up, and the customer lets us know what length, what handle, and we get everything all prepped up in here. This is like the foundation. This is where everything starts. The most important thing is the blank and handle. So we ream the inside of the handle to fit the blank. You want a little bit of room for glue, so you want it to slide a little bit, and then we just have an order number for every different order. This guy wanted a custom handle, split grip, so we can pretty much do a little bit of everything. We do, saltwater stuff for you, to ice fishing. Ice fishing is the biggest market living up here in the north. Yeah, this is where we do like the custom stuff. So we'll get an order. It'll tell us exactly what the customer wants. It's been, honestly, it was supposed to just be a little hobby. And I think when you came here, it was just me and a guy in a small room. A dream, with no, and now.
When Sarah and I met, she was working at Shields, and he just got accepted at Shields.
And they approached me, which is the best feeling in the world, and we just signed a contract about 10 days ago. So we'll be making our first delivery to Shields.
That means so much for you guys. If you live around Shields, and they have Shields everywhere.
All over the country, yep.
they're gonna start stocking Mag's custom rods. So if you just wanna go into Shields and like touch it, they'll be there. I'm very, very, very proud of you. Now let's go fish.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. I want a corn dog. No. No. Don't take his money.
Okay. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What am I, in Candid Camper or what?
Yes, you are. Say hello to everybody at Deer Meat for Dinner.
Deer meat for dinner. That sounds fantastic. I wish I
Subscribe now.
We're pretty much on an ice rink right now. I'm in 4-wheel drive and barely touching the gas. We're just...
Yeah, this is not my world.
The only thing that'd make it worse is if you put snow on top, like a light fluffy snow on top of it, then it's... You might as well stay home.
This looks sketchy.
Yeah, it just looks like that.
That right there looks like a scene from Home Alone.
That's how you test the ice. Give her a stomp or bring a fat guy with you and send him out first.
Now, do you have...
I got the cleats on now.
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna have to put yours on, otherwise you'll be like Harry from Home Alone.
This dude right here has all the goodies.
I didn't even...
All the goodies.
I brought a couple rods. I knew he had everything.
I haven't had this on for like 5 years. Pow! Now this right here, this is some kind of cleat.
Same ones I got. They work good too.
This is so different for me. Oh. Right now, I'm just watching because this is what they do. This is not what I do.
You pop the shack first and then drill.
We need to get the Bucks game, and I will watch this and the Bucks game at the same time. I see you use this a lot.
I work with Eskimo, so we build rods for them in a co-branded series, and they've been great to me. They're a great business, and
Eskimo.
Yep, good people, and they make some of the best products on the market. So
How's this?
it's decent stuff. I used to.
He was just saying that.
I've never seen one of these though. He's always up to date on all the new stuff.
What is that?
So this is a new diesel heater. So the nice thing about them heaters is the heater's outside, so you just have a heat duct right here blowing nice warm air. There's something down there by the bottom.
Oh yeah. Probably a big old trout.
It's trout. It's trout.
Or a big old bass.
So we're seeing something right here. There's obviously some structure right here. Now we're gonna drop a bait right there and see if those fish are just using that structure. This is high tech redneck, but we're not redneck. He came up and looked at it and dropped down. Here he comes.
Here we go.
Yeah!
What you got? I don't know. It's something nice.
Big bass.
It could be. Kind of fighting like a trout though. I know we had a good run initially.
Perch. Jesus.
Wow.
Holy cow, that's a giant!
That's a jumbo.
I didn't even know they were perching.
I didn't know they were.
That's probably the biggest perch I've ever
What's
seen.
it? 14?
It's all of that. Dude, that thing's a tank.
Are you kidding me? That right there is probably my favorite fish in this area.
What?
We got fish going crazy.
Jaw jacker did its job. This has got to be a trout. Trout? Oh, it's a bass.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
The perch is bigger than the bass.
Yeah,
Like a lot much bigger.
that's crazy.
Well, they're starting to bite now. It's 2 fish in a couple minutes.
All of our bait died, so we got to go back to the shop and pick up more bait. As you can see, all the ice is melting.
I'll go first.
Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa. Dude, one of them corn dogs would be so good right now.
Yeah, it would.
Bait bucket.
Bait bucket. Let's go.
Yeah.
Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but not a minnow left. No.
Really?
But there's none left in Marquette County.
We got a minnows. That's what the.
Well, good luck, gentlemen.
Yup.
Thanks, man.
We got a giant perch. We just need a couple others.
Yeah. Well, if you're not having minnows and getting perch, you're getting perch eyes.
Yep.
That's the secret.
Yep. All right, man. Thanks.
Take care. Can you see all the water? That means it's not frozen.
That's not very common for almost January, so you do want to be careful in these kind of conditions. I see a lot of people in the ditch because they just don't respect what kind of roads these are. This is some of the worst that I've been on in years. I mean, we're pretty much on an ice rink, and the main roads aren't bad because it's warm, but these side roads, it's just like 2 inches of straight ice. And we've seen a couple cars where they went into the ditch, but I mean, we're pretty much just floating around. And
When we're fishing around the ice, how do we deal with thin ice?
I mean, we are fishing first ice, so you do have to watch out for the gray areas. Like if you're looking at an ice sheet and it's black, that's going to mean it's nice and solid. The gray areas are where it hasn't really froze very well, so you get a little slush and it doesn't freeze all the way through. So you do want to stay away from the gray ice. The black ice is the good stuff. It's nice and hard.
How much do you weigh?
I'm about 170.
Okay, well I'm 225, so you need to be about 20 feet ahead of me.
Yep. Yeah, you always send the lightest guy first. Go through, you want to try to stay calm and kick your feet. You can usually get out pretty decent. You always want to carry a rope.
Yeah.
Obviously, we always have that stuff. And the suits, they're float suits, so you're not just going to sink like a bowling ball. Like these will keep you afloat, and you want to kind of get your arms up on the ice and just kick your feet. And you'll have you can have spuds too, the little sticks on your hands.
When you're going down the stairs, you got to be very, very careful. Everything is slippery. I do have cleats on, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna see all this? So out there, all those spots, thin ice. So I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna follow his tracks where everybody has walked, and so we'll stay away from that. All right, let's get set up. That's really, really, really scary ice. Got him, son!
A little rain flurry, huh?
$25-incher. Get him! Yes!
That's dinner.
I saw him coming. I was like, turn it on! Now, are these good to eat?
Yeah.
Look at this. What a nice fish. Yeah. This is a rainbow,
Yep.
right? This one goes back. Son, you better run. Hey, everybody who knows my show, I wanted to keep a fish to cook, but one always has to go back. Now you guys realize I came and like drilled that hole and got ready. And the bucks are losing, so I was like, okay, that's it. I'm going fishing.
Oh, he's in the deucer cable. Take it. Oh, nice fish.
So it's about half an hour before dark. It's getting sloppy, very wet, and we want to get off the wet ice before it's too late so that we can drive out of here, and we'll come back tomorrow morning. Hopefully the conditions improved. Brew. Yeah, obviously my hands were like frozen before that couldn't even feel them.
Yeah.
Now
It's hurting.
when I put in my, oh my Lord, they're like killing me. Dude, what happened last night?
Man, we got one of the worst storms I've personally ever seen up here. It's brutal. Some shoveling.
Yesterday, we could see the grass. Look at this. I can't even, whoa! I've never seen anything like this. Look at that. I don't even know what to say. We're worried about the power lines falling. So many people have lost power. Fortunately, we still have power. So I'm just gonna get here because I don't wanna see that power line go down.
Gotta get some diesel for the tractor.
Really? Yeah. This is really, really dangerous.
We get storms, but this one is for sure one of the worst ones I've ever seen.
Typically, this is fun because this is a storm, blah, blah, blah. But this storm is very, very dangerous.
Oh yeah.
So we got to pay very, very close attention, and we're dressed right, and we got to figure out what today holds.
Even the hospital's closed. The hospital lost power.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I know, I'm sure they have generator stuff, but one of my workers, a girlfriend works at the hospital, and they're like, do not come in. It's more dangerous to travel right now than, like, look at this. This is the main road here.
Look at this. Can you turn your holy mackerel. Look at that. That's the road that I drove in on. These are things that I don't know about.
Yeah, this is our hurricane, I say. Because it's super dangerous. I mean, if you don't have a big pickup truck, you can't even drive in this stuff. And even earlier, like, it was coming over the hood on the main road.
Look at the guardrails are like covered.
Yeah. The big thing with snow is you gotta keep momentum. And that can be dangerous too if you need to stop, or like if we would stop in this stuff, we would get stuck. 100%.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yep. This would be like a trail, but this is a main road. Little snow's cool. This makes it hard to do anything. I mean, you can't even barely get to the gas station right now. If there's another car coming, then you got to kind of go off into the side, and I don't think there'll be too many cars on the road today, but just the plow trucks. And
I wish you guys can see, like, we're shaking around and we're just doing our best. Oh, here's a plow.
Oh no, it's a snowblower.
Snow blower.
Yeah. See, that's more efficient right now because the snow is so deep. If you try to hit it with a plow,
You can never, yeah.
Bite too much off. If you angle it right, you can do it, but if you bite off too much, you're gonna get buried, and trying to get that out is really tough. But the snowblower, you can blow 2 feet of snow super easy. So the road we're coming up on here, this is the main state highway that runs across the entire UP. I would assume it has to be plowed. I'd be really surprised if it's not touched. Yeah, it is. Well, it's not great, but it looks like they have one pass. Yeah, so they hit this a little bit. Car in the ditch right there.
Tell Johnny boy to go! There you go, John! Atta boy!
All right, so they got the truck out of the snow. Now why don't you take your tractor and we'll just blow it out?
Yeah, we'll make them a couple passes so they can get it in and out.
Those are 2 elderly people and they can't snow blow. So, you know, something like that'll make something like this will make a big difference
for them, and it's easy for us to do.
Yeah. I would rather do this than catch a fish.
We'll do this and catch a fish.
Even better. Amazing how much work it is just to keep warm. so cold. I don't even know what happened.
A lot of work just to get out of your driveway, huh? You always want to get the stuff off the roof because once your car thaws out, it gets warm, and when you stop, it'll slide into your windshield, and it's so much weight. So if it's happened to me at an intersection, you can't see nothing. It won't come off because your wipers aren't strong enough. So you always want to get it off the top.
Yesterday afternoon, there was no snow here. It's incredible that it's everywhere now. We've been snow blowing. The sun is coming out. My question is, can we go fishing?
Any Youper's got an ice fishing snowmobile, and we got two, so we're going fishing.
This is the most different you can imagine. Yesterday, at this time, we were fishing on thin ice.
Yeah, the thing with yesterday was wet snow, pretty thin ice, so when you put a lot of snow on that, it's heavy, so you do have to be really careful, and it produces a lot of slush. The snow is a big insulator, so it's going to be really, really slushy out there, which hopefully we don't get stuck.
I don't even know how to do anything. I don't even know how to drive a
Well, the
jet
batteries
ski.
are definitely dead, so we're going to have to pull starter, and we'll see if
That's a good sign.
yeah.
This just got a lot better. See how the snow all blew off? Down here it's very heavy. Up there it blew off. That's good, because if it was like that all the way, it would have broke. So, all right. Oh, here he comes. I don't even know why I haven't done this yet. I've never seen snow like this, but
That's a lot of snow.
dude.
This thing's gonna struggle. The other one will be a little bit better in the snow, but this is a short track, 1 inch. The other one's a long track, 1.5.
Yeah! It's smoking a little bit. Hopefully it's okay.
See that water pocket right there?
Yeah. Look at that.
Crazy. We got 20 inches of snow and there's only a couple because it just...
We were fishing here yesterday. The snow literally insulates all the ice. So the ice doesn't produce more ice. This is very, very dangerous.
You don't need to get out about this far. wish I would have brought my auger just to see how thick it is. But as soon as we drill holes, we're going to be 3 inches of water. Just like that. You know, as soon as you drill a hole, you're just going to be in slop. So I would never set a shack up in this. I would just drill a hole and fish right off my snowmobile. Otherwise, you're going to be swimming. They got to eat, right?
Yeah. Oh.
I know I tend to eat more when we get snow stuck inside.
Look at this, you guys.
Crazy.
And I thought thin ice was going to be the problem.
It's definitely not ideal. You know, like this kind of wet snow will ruin the ice for the entire year because it doesn't have time to build. It's just going to turn into slop, and then we're going to get more snow and more snow. And typically, when you get a few inches of ice and a bunch of snow on top, it's a mess for the rest of the year.
Now we're on the snow machine, and we're going to go all the way to the lake, and hopefully we can drill some holes and catch some fish. Looks good, huh?
Oh, I think.
I might take that one and make another path. It's just easier to fish in it.
That's good. Just so you know, we're standing on the ice and it's, look at that. How much water is under us?
Probably four inches.
No. How deep is it?
Oh, we should be in about 8 here, I'm thinking.
How much ice is there?
There's decent, probably 5 inches.
Decent.
Yeah, that's good. They always say when the ice is the sketchiest is when the fishing's the best. So.
Look how thin that ice is.
So when you get a lot of snow, that water comes up and creates all this slush and it never freezes because it's all insulated by the snow.
Okay, let's catch some fish. Okay. What kind of rod is this?
It's a medium light.
Medium light. This is all new to me, but I do like to fish. So,
trick of the trade.
What?
Always put your cap back on your thing, because that'll ruin your day really quick. Got him.
Perch.
Is it?
Big perch.
Oh no!
Dude, you just had a big perch.
Was that a big
That's
perch?
what I was looking at him right there.
Oh man.
Dude, that was a nice fish.
I didn't want that one anyway.
Look at all the water coming up.
Unbelievable. You marking them?
No. Yeah, I got him. Right. Got him. Giant, dude. Look at that, son.
That is why we come out here and freeze. Oh. I am marking a decent one on the bottom. He's not doing much.
Dude, my hands are freaking burning.
Yep.
Got him. I mean, this is a super giant.
It's gotta be this one. I've ever caught out of here.
Got him. Yes, yes. Yes!
We're in the nursery over here.
Dude, when we get back, I'm gonna need to get to the hospital with my foot, with my hands. Here, see it? Here, put this in. Your hands will fit in there.
What is that?
That's a glove. Stoke the fire!
Wow.
Holy mackerel! My hands are burning.
Yeah. It only gets worse before it gets better.
Are your hands hurting?
Yeah, they're just starting to hurt.
Dude.
Once they thaw out is when they start to hurt. Oh man, those gloves you gave me were a lifesaver. Those things were.
These are my gloves from Montana pronghorn hunt.
Yeah. They were dry, which is very nice.
My hands have to warm up. Last night was crazy. We got stuck. I should have been home yesterday, but because of the storm, we got to head back.
Yep.
This is Pat Magnolato from Mag's Custom Rods, and he's a good friend. I think he needs to come to Florida and go to the Tampa Boat Show with us and go fishing. What's one thing that you will remember?
When you got buried on the snowmobile.
Oh, I had no experience, but I had a lot of fun. Now we're heading home, back to Oshkosh. We'll see y'all soon.
Hello.
What's up, honey?
Hey, babe. How was your trip? How was the drive?
Good, good, good.
Good. It's snowing again.
Yeah, but this is just a little flurry. We were in like the blizzard of the century.
Well, I'm glad you made it back.
All right. What's up, Chica? What are you doing? Who wants fish?
Unanimous.
But I've never made perch or trout like this. So I'm gonna try something new.
Wow, that's a big perch. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
That's a mounter.
Oh, them are nice trout.
Wow, that's a good one.
Oh wow, those are big.
So that.
Trout.
Beat that, you little trout sniffer.
Trout sniffer. Yeah. Hold on, you never cooked it or you never cleaned it?
I've never cooked it.
Okay.
Or I've never cleaned it or cooked it. So, for those who have done this before, you may think I'm crazy, but look at the eggs.
Yeah, you can tell she's loaded.
A lot of eggs?
Yeah. I got an idea. So whenever I was a kid, I used to make butterflied yellowtail snapper. And I'm gonna do my best right
She was
here.
loaded.
It's in there yet.
We're babies.
Is that knife sharp enough?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
I'm scared.
This is perfect. This
That's
is,
all the eggs right there.
look,
Give me some.
now you can see,
Look at that.
look at the little row.
Oh my gosh.
So now I'm gonna cook them.
What? You're gonna cook the baby?
Yes. Look at that.
That's nice.
That's a rainbow trout. And look at all the eggs. I imagine that the perch were eating the trout eggs. It makes sense. That's our roe. This is the trout roe, and that's the perch. We're gonna cook that. Both of these are trout. They're both rainbow trout. But this looks so good, like a salmon or something. I don't know why, but this is the perch.
Is it because it's a different phase in their life?
I honestly don't know. I don't want that to make super high. Put that right in there. Look at that. We're gonna put just a little garlic and a little zesty lemon. This is very delicate, so we gotta be fast. There you go. Oh, it smells so good. So nice. It's beautiful out there. To keep it from burning, I add just a touch of avocado oil, and that makes it
cook evenly and it doesn't burn. Look at that. Now that's perfect.
And Mom has some fresh sweet corn that they froze, so we're gonna warm that up too. Drop a comment below if you guys know what Allenville corn is. It's super popular up here, and every August people rush to the stand to get as much ears as they can, and a lot of times people up here in Wisconsin will take it and they'll freeze it. So right now Mom's heating up some frozen. This is another thing that she has, so she puts it in just quart size freezer Ziplocs and she labels it. So she picked this, or shucked it, August 12th, 2025, and that's what keeps them going through the winter. While Rob's cooking that, I'll show you guys outside super quick. It's snowing and it's just this really light, chunky snowflake snow. It's so peaceful. And that's the dome. We don't have the heat turned on in it, but I just did a deer mom with the dome. I put that together for my parents, but whoo, it's cold out there. Well, when do you think it's gonna taste better?
The perch by a long shot. That's my
Perch,
guess.
yeah.
Dear God, thank you for my family. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for everyone that I'm related to. Please help us get this food into our bodies very nicely again. I hope this food tastes really good, and thank you for whoever Dad said thank you to. And just name it.
Amen.
Amen.
I know I did.
All right. The key is we're very thankful. Thank you for the great home, and thank you for having us here. Now let's taste the fish. See this?
It's good.
It's good?
Dad, you need to taste this over here.
Is one of them the perch?
The white one.
Oh, that's the perch. Oh, I should have known.
Wow.
It's the family dinner plate.
Just point to which one you like. This is the most?
That one.
What do you think? And this is the most? What's your favorite?
That one too, the one I liked.
This?
Yeah. Yep.
I'm absolutely agreed. I love the bigger trout. It has an amazing flavor.
Wait, that was the bigger of the two?
Yes.
This one is good.
This is a rainbow trout.
Yeah, you're not gonna go back to the perch after having the trout.
No, I still like the trout.
Yeah.
I'm still a trout guy, and I never was. I would prefer a perch, but that trout is excellent.
Now we're gonna find out if you can eat the perch roe. It looks like a Rocky Mountain oyster.
Are you done with it? Are you done with it?
I'll let you go first, though. I'll be honest.
Mom and I are over here observing. This is the observatory over here.
Hold on, let's see the.
Just cut it.
Yeah. All right. Pink, a little pink in the middle. Think it should go longer though? I don't know.
I don't know.
I mean, it's fish. Fish you can eat raw.
I know.
You gotta ChatGPT it.
I wouldn't want to eat something raw though that you shouldn't be. And one will be good. Well,
That's gonna be so good.
That looks perfect. Come on, Dawn.
Come on.
That looks amazing. Yes, I will try that. That I would even eat that too. That's all right. Well, Rob, bon appetit.
Bap, bottoms up.
Yep.
Has a weird flavor to it.
It does. It's salty. It's different.
It's like chalky.
It's just different. It's salty. Salty chalk.
Okay, you guys. that concludes of our expedition eating perch.
What about the other row?
Yeah, that might be different.
Roll, bro.
They just ate the eggs.
That I think I can.
Come try this. This is really
Run
good.
away, Emma. Don't do it.
Run, don't look back.
I can't do it.
Unless you want to eat
Hey,
sidewalk
let
chalk.
me see this. Let me.
I did enough. I mean,
It's a weird.
it isn't. It's a weird texture and a taste.
Just taste it. You should taste it.
No. It's a weird texture, weird taste. Chalk.
It
No.
is- it is a salty though. It's got some salt in it.
Nope.
There you go.
You had me at weird taste.
Well,
I couldn't eat
that's
that
all.
whole
That's
time.
all we got for you.
Oh no, he's got to cook the next one.
That next one might be.
That's fishing bait.
That next one's fishing bait. Now it's fishing bait, you
You
guys.
can buy that in jars.
All right, if you haven't already, please subscribe, drop a comment below, let us know what you guys think. But that's all he has for you. Until next time, take care, God bless, and we are
You can eat the rest of that roll.
Go on.